We are going to do a more in-depth discussion later on. Again, not tonight. But basically, there's a lot of disagreement about basically concepts of Darwinism, evolution, and natural selection. In terms of nature, I'm speaking for my own opinion. Nature is not some serene, religious, peaceful, basically serenity. Nature is a vicious thing. Nature, at its core, from natural history, pure science, nature is vicious. Nature is cruel. Nature and its laws are the most brutal of things among reality. Whether you are talking about life on Earth or nearby systems, there is nothing in terms of natural selection, in terms of the viciousness of nature, there is nothing serene or peaceful about nature. The concept of nature being some serene landscape, some place you go out to nature to meditate, to be at peace. That's complete nonsense. The only people who think nature is peaceful is because you live in civilization, you walk to Central Park in New York, and you think nature is peaceful because you live in a human civilization. The reality of nature and and the and these laws of natural selection, nature is not peace. Nature is the most vicious, cruel, and the most barbaric reality that is reality. To the extent that human civilization seeks to conquer nature, human civilization seeks to create a world that is less cruel. Nature isn't peace. Nature is barbaric, vicious, and cruel. Evolution and natural selection, it is the most vicious and nasty reality of nature.